Learn and grow on the Soddy Dotty Show. Want to learn how to throw a paper airplane across the yard? Let me show you how. Let me show you 5 easy steps on how to make a paper airplane that will fly high into the sky. Yeah, just like that one. All right. Step number 1, you're going to fold your paper in half, long ways. Just like that. And then press it down. Step number 2, when you open the paper, you're going to grab the 2 ends, the top ends of the paper, and you're going to fold them, meeting them in the middle, right on that line that was created when you first fold it. Make sure that they meet right in here together, the same line and the same level before you press it down. If you like it, if you're happy with the points, if you're happy where they meet, press the paper down. Create a nice crease. Step number 3, we'll do the same on each side, but we'll do one at a time. I want to bring this side of the paper here to meet right in the middle on that line. So do one. Always remember to keep a nice point, and then you do the other. Meet this side right over here in the middle. You see, it looks like an arrow now. Step number 4, we're going to turn it around and fold it in half. Step number 5, let's make the wings by making the top of the paper meet the bottom of the paper. From the peak here, the tip, all the way across, all the way down. Do the same on the other side. Press it down nice and strong. Now open the wings, bring them up, hold it together, and you're ready to play. Please like and subscribe and stay creative.